All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry, guys. I'm a little late on the trigger here, guys. Welcome to the New Age Wall Street Sunday STOCKcast. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We are primarily options trading options trading community. We do trade some small caps. We trade large caps. We also trade crypto from time to time. We have a crypto channel as well. And man, even on slow days, we might be even trading some sneakers or some Pokemon cards as well. All the way from Djibouti. What? What's up, dude? I hope everything's going good, bro. I haven't seen you in the chat. I know you've been busy. The military, keeping you busy and everything, Kev. But I hope everyone had a great weekend. I got to get my son this weekend. It was really fun. We went over to adventure park type thing. It was like a Ninja Warrior type course thing. Super fun chasing them around and everything. Really fun to kind of unplug and hang out with them. I'm excited for the market this week. I hope you guys are excited for the market this week. Announcements and things for this week here, guys. Oh, you're in freaking Africa, dude. What the hell are you doing out there in Africa, bro? Dude, what are you doing out there? I hope the Wi-Fi is at least good out there, bro. As you guys just saw, if you guys could leave me a like on the video, go tell your grandma, your dog, your girlfriend, your mammy, your nanny, whoever else, tell them to come watch the STOCKcast. We are getting ready to trade stocks this week. We are trying to make some money. Yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe. And then also, announcements for this week here. I don't have too much, guys. I'm not going to reveal a whole too much of what's going on here in the office as of yet. Maybe next week we'll go ahead and go over it a little bit more. But kind of got hit with some sideways news over the weekend. So we may need to pivot from that as a trade factory on New Age Wall Street. But I'm definitely excited. We got big things coming. So we got some big opportunities on the books. All right. If you guys, I still haven't changed, the memberships on the page. I'm probably going to change those maybe this week. I got a lot of stuff going on and everything. Friday was actually, we hit a pretty cool, awesome milestone on Friday. It was the first day we had every single desk in here filled up, every desk here in the New Age Wall Street Trade Factory. We had about 8 or 10 of us in here all trading together, having a good time. And it was just fun. It was good vibes. It was fun. We got to trade, and it was definitely what I've been working for, to build a community here to be able to trade together. So kind of a cool milestone that we sold out these desks here already. And now we're looking to see if we could add some more. So definitely very excited, guys. Any other announcements and things like that? I don't think I have any. I don't think I do have any. No, but if you guys have any questions or anything, you guys have any concerns, you guys want me to look at some, if you guys want me to look at some trade ideas, you can always email me. My email's cruz@newagewallstreet.com. Unfortunately, war keeps bringing me to Djibouti. Is that how you say it? Djibouti? Bro, you gotta, when is your contract fulfilled when you're out of the military, bro? It's probably like 3 a.m. out there too. It's got to be some weird, crazy. How much did I make trading on Friday? I made about $1,500. So I made on Nvidia, I made about $1,300 and some dollars, $1,300 and almost $1,400, and then I took another trade on Tesla on another account just as a I just seen the setup and it was, ripe and juicy. I took some puts on Tesla and made another like $130 or something like that. So about $1,500 I made on Friday. So did pretty good. And then I got in on, I'll share my screen here with you guys. All right, let's see. Right here. So this is NVIDIA right here. And if we come, there was a pivot right here. I believe it was, I think it was off of right here actually, where I seen this coming in. We call this the crossover play, when it crosses a point of interest and retests. So crossed over, retest right here at this PDC prior day close. And then I got from right here all the way down to the bottom, this area, the 757. So 768, 757, almost $10 there, and got that meet of that move just on a couple contracts with that nice gamma, about $1,300 and some dollars, and then $100 on Tesla. Been out since February 2015. I work for the government, high dollar, high asset water security. Bro, you need to quit that job. That sounds like a horrible job. No one wants to be in Djibouti, bro. Angel, what's up, dude? Nice to see you, bro. All right, let's get into some tickers and stuff here, guys. If you guys have some tickers to be able to go over, if you guys want me to go over like anything technical analysis related, anything related to your actual trading, I could also help with that. So like if you're having issues with mental and emotional capital, something along those lines, if you're having trouble with a certain setup, or with the way the price action has been moving, the sentiment in the market has been moving as of lately, I'm happy to answer those types of questions as well. Just blurt them out here for me, guys, so I'm happy to go over. These are the S&P futures right here. We opened up here at 6 p.m. Eastern, and we popped up, gap up, and then now we're kind of going just sideways, and we may just hold this PTC overnight, maybe even gap below it here. So pretty much just flat sideways, nothing too crazy. I think that we had a really nice run in tech over the last week. We may get a little bit of rotation out, things like just that resistance, and need a little bit of a pullback. Growth stocks absolutely looking wonderful as well. So looking more for like a pullback on the overall market together. So if we're looking at the SPY and the Qs, would love for the market to pull back, and we may just chop around this week, or see if we come back and retest these breakout levels as well. Okay. How high? How high what? Or high how? I don't know, bro. What do you mean how high? All right, so tickets for this week, guys. A couple of different ones. I have Baba. So Alibaba, this was a kind of a laggard list last week. It didn't move with the same momentum that a lot of the tickers did move, but it did base out here at this 208, 210 area. And now we're getting this really nice move to the upside here on this weekly chart. And then on this daily chart, you can see where it's already up here at this 228. And so what I would like for this to happen is to come back to 225, revalidate this as support, and then to continue moving up. So Baba's on the watch here for this week. Watch this week. And then also, which other ones was I looking at? So Roku as well, lots of strength. I would like for it to kind of, you could see where it has this resistance at this 430. So if we could keep on going sideways and break out of this 430 to the all-time highs up here, that would be absolutely awesome. Yeah, dude, that's all we do. I think there's actually some guys from my chat room here. They're happy to, if you ask them, they'll give you, honest feedback on our room. But I think we're the easiest to understand options room out there, dude. Like, very just, dude, I think we're awesome. But to be honest, like, I know I'm biased, it's my chat room, but yeah, we do mostly options. The strategy is pretty dang simple, and we just keep making money, keep on trying to be consistent and stuff. So appreciate you coming in, dude. Oh, here's the other one I was looking at. So Roku, like I said, I wanted to go sideways off this 430 and then go up, and then also SPCE, guys. SPCE has a big short float. It has a 20% short float. So lots of shorts in here getting squeezed out. This is the high right here, about the 60. So this was our move on Friday that I called out on SPCE. And we had this really nice gap up from the FAA approval, or what have you, from, FFA clears passenger flights. So we had this nice gap up, but then we had this profit taking into the open, and this is one of our A+ setups right here. This pop-up move where the shorts get kind of happy, comes down, bases out at this 46. This is our compression, our cross. So you're getting in here towards like 46.25 or so is our perfect entry, And I mean, that's low of day. You guys are getting in on our trigger here at 46, and it never looked back. Like, you should still be holding this, over the weekend with how strong this was from the 46, and it's all the way up to what it closed at, 58 or something like that, 55. So awesome. Hey, Cruz, with people who are in your trading group at New Age Wall Street, would you be okay with having them trade live with you in Albuquerque? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. That's why I built this. This is why I pay so much money for such a nice office here, bro. If you live in Albuquerque and you want to come fucking trade, bro, this is why I built the office. We're here at 400 Gold Avenue in Albuquerque on the 12th floor, dude. Come and trade with us, bro. If you are a member of New Age Wall Street, you will get, once all the computers are in and the trade stations are up, you will get a discount to rent out the actual trade stations. If you want to just come in as a member and you're bringing your laptop just to trade from your laptop and just be a part of the community or what have you, there's going to be just like a small like membership fee of you coming into the office. So almost like a gym membership, right? And even you just coming in like that, like if you're just paying for like a membership to come in and you're not actually leasing like the desk and the trade station, bro, there's so much information and just trade ideas that gets thrown around all day, all day while we're in here. It's definitely worth it, dude. It's definitely worth it. So if you're in the area or you want to plan a special trip to Albuquerque, let me know. Hot Air Balloon Fiesta is on the first week of October. So if you guys want to come out to the Balloon Fiesta and then trade while you're out here, let me know, dude. This is what I was talking about at the beginning of the STOCKcast right now, was that I got kind of gut checked with some news over the weekend. So I will be expanding the office here in Albuquerque, and then we will have the office in Dallas as well. Yeah, absolutely, dude. I've had members fly in from Washington, D.C., Florida, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, and then what was it, South Carolina or Philadelphia. Yeah, dude, this is what I'm building these offices for, is for you to have a community to come to and be able to just vibe and learn and be with like-minded people, dude. Eventually, Trade Factory will be a lot closer to you, so it's not like you have to come to Albuquerque. So we're going to do finish up Albuquerque, Dallas, and then probably first quarter, first half of 2022, we will have Florida. So I don't know about California, dude. We'll have to see about California. We'll do all the tax-friendly states first, but California is definitely going to be one of them. Lots of traders in California. Cool. Great question, dude. But yeah, I get pumped about that because it's so fun just being here with everyone who's trading. New York will be after Florida. So that's the plan as of right now, is Albuquerque, Dallas, Florida, then New York. So Dallas, or maybe Florida and New York are kind of at the same time. I just need more people. I'm only one person running all of this right now. I just need more help. Take the 20K rent for your boy. What do you mean take the 20K rent? Um, but yeah, so SPCE guys, this was our trigger. This was our trigger down here on Friday. Called right at the bottom right here, and then this thing never looked back. Big ass 20% short float, getting up here towards these highs. I'm excited to see where this ends up tomorrow, and see if we get over the 60 tomorrow. So we'll be. Oh yeah, Mark. Yeah, Mark came out here from California. We had a bunch of people from California come out. I have family in California too, so maybe I could hire a family member or something to manage an office out there. You guys will have to tell me where in California, because there's just so much area. I mean, eventually it'll probably be more than one in California. So if you guys want it more towards Orange County, more towards LA, more towards the Inland Empire, you guys will have to let me know. All right, cool. So SPCE, looking for that next week. Also, NMDM, I'm swinging this. I took a position this last week. Check out this daily chart right here. Same move as that the other one right here just kind of going sideways. We're playing this breakout, and then we're trying to get this to go to $10. So we have this inverse head and shoulder. So head, shoulder, shoulder. Here's your neckline right here at this like 850, and then we're trying to get this to about $10. Okay. So I have 7.5 calls, and I also have $10 calls as well for July 16th, I believe. Yes, so Dallas is going to be the next one because it just checks so many boxes. So Dallas checks so many boxes for the Trade Factory. For me as a business, it's business friendly with taxes, all that good stuff that you guys don't care about. It is very centrally located. It has a major airport, very easy to go ahead and get to, very cheap to get to. Hotels and everything are very abundant. Things to do in Dallas are very abundant. Like you could literally walk from the office to the American Airlines Center where they play basketball. Sorry, my ear is hurting for some reason, guys. American Airlines Center, the biopark or the aquarium is right down the street as well. There's a park literally like a few blocks from the office that a bunch of food trucks and vendors and stuff set up at all the time. Just freaking awesome. Las Vegas. I haven't really met too many traders from Vegas, bro. Are you from Vegas? If you could show me that there's quite a few traders in Vegas, I would definitely be down for that. Yes, but Dallas makes sense just so how centrally located it is. And also my broker is Cobra Trading, who is based in Carrollton, Texas, about a half hour from the office. And I also partner with Black Box, who is about 20 minutes from there. And then there's some algorithmic type people that I'm partnering with that are in Austin, so that's not too far. So it makes sense all the way around, just kind of a no-brainer. And then we'll do Florida. I'm trying to do the warm states. I'm trying to do the warm states first before we go out there to New York and all the crazy ones like that. So then there's kind of incentive to go too. Like, when I went to Puerto Rico, it was nice to go to the beach after I was done trading and stuff. So NMDM here, guys, sideways. You see my trigger up. 850, trying to get it to $10 right here. All right. Also, DDD Kodiak has been playing the crap out of this in our room. He's been in since like $20, I think. Or no. So off of this little channel right here. So he's been in this from like this. So on this breakout of like 29. $40 I wanted to get above. I may try to see if we could get into this to break this neckline of this head right here and see if we could get this, keep on moving here on this DDD this week. Yeah, that's a good question, dude. That's a nice one. Nike, bro, how freaking nice was this? They have freaking obliterated their damn earnings, bro. I think so, bro. You have to. So, the market does not like to have gaps in the price action like this. So like if I come over here and I use the volume profile, right? So you could see right here in this area, right? So if I come and I use this right here. So if I highlight this, you can see how there's no volume, right? So this is the volume according to the price. And this is the breakout area. So the price action is going to tend to want to come back and revalidate this 147.28 area, 148 area. Yeah, it's just really far extended, especially if the market starts pulling back this week a little bit, just a little bit, come test these breakout levels. I do believe so. I do like that. So that's a good trade idea. I like that. All right. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I use my personal Instagram for my business. Everyone, you guys can follow me on everything. I've been putting like one trade idea on there just as a freebie. But what it was this Etsy. I don't know if you guys have followed it also on Twitter. So, but this Etsy was freaking wonderful, guys. This was something that we traded right here off of this base. Look at this base right here, bro. This is something dreams are made of, you drool about. And then, so about 170 was my entrance. 184 now. We got up to 188 right here. And then 190, or excuse me, 195 is the top right here. 195 is the target right here for this Etsy. So I believe, let me see. I believe it's like a, so yeah, 15% move on that, guys, off of this base right here. This was really nice. Just like I said, I put it on my Instagram. If you guys follow me, you got, go follow me on there. I'm giving just one kind of trade that I'm not putting like on Twitter, also on Instagram as well. And this was really nice. And then I also have FUTU that I'm holding still for 200. Same thing, dude. I'm like a broken record right here. I'm just looking for these consolidation compression plays right here. Get the breakout. So it's it got up to 174, 172-ish area, and my goal is for it to get up to the highs, up to 200. So see if we get this roll into 200 on this FUTU. And that's and then Airbnb, we played this as well. Now it's just kind of going sideways on this area right here, accumulating. It needs to get a little bit more buyers to get the breakout right here. But then once it does break out, your goal is about 167 to 170. So yeah, right here, about 169, 170. So you see how this is a cup handle sideways, this really nice sideways pattern. And then we just need this to curl up to break out to the upside here. So it may need another week, another couple days in order for it to do it. We need the market for it to perk up for it too. Excuse me. Here's a good one. I played the Netflix on. I played Netflix on Friday. Friday or Thursday. And it didn't do the move I wanted. So I got here on this dip and rip. So dip down here, and then I wanted to rip up, and it didn't quite do it. I think I even gave it every shot right here. I don't know if maybe I got in on this one or this one. I don't remember. But got out here at the 532 because I seen the sellers coming in. You could see this demand come in, and the volume didn't stay with the push up. So I got out, just took profit right away. But if you come and you take a look at this macro right here on this daily, there's a gap right here. So there's a gap right here from the earnings. So it's going to want to try to close this gap up to the 539 area right here on this Netflix. We just need a little bit more volume and momentum right here. So you can see where it's starting to ramp up though a little bit. And this is something to look for like probably Monday or Tuesday if we could stay bullish on the market. And then obviously we talked about Roku, NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA, Tesla, I think is going to pull back. NVIDIA back to 750, and then also Tesla back to 650. So just need some more buyers to step in on those. Nice, Mike. Nice. Yeah, if you're able to hold on, add on those dips and what have you. If you're able to buy on those dips on Netflix, then that was really good. Put my desk down a little bit, guys. There we go. Yeah, here on YouTube as well, guys. I'm gonna probably do a YouTube video just kind of explaining what each trade station is gonna come with and what it'll have and everything. So then you guys could see, like, because they're not like what it's like behind me. So the ones to the side of me right now are the ones that are set up. So let me know if you have any other tickers that you guys want me to go over for this week here, guys. I believe the financial sector is going to be the one to pop off this week. We had this gnarly little dip right here, and then look at this just buy up. So if we're able to go ahead and get over these little oversold areas, and then Citibank as well was one of them. JP Morgan. JPM. So I believe this is where we're going to get rotation into this week. Baba, we went over. I like that one going into this week. It's already broken out right here. I wanted to come retest 225. the breakout area. So this would be like our macro crossover play, right? Cross over the breakout area, come back and revalidate 225 as support, and then continue to move up. Dude, my ear is like fucked up, dude. I'm sorry, guys. TTD. The trade desk. So I see us getting up here towards this 80, dude, to the 79.80, and then maybe pulling back off of that. So yeah, it's already starting to reject right here. So this is looking like a huge like cup and handle, kind of like here's your cup. This is a weird gnarly cup. So what I would expect is that this kind of ranges sideways off of this like 673, 73, 72-ish area up to the 78, kind of sideways. And then we get the breakout here. So this is about like, this is going to take another week or two in order for it to set up. If it sets up to build this sideways and then break up to this upside. AMD has been really nice as well. Ooh, AMC, you guys see this? You got, just by mistake, I pulled this up, but which way you think we're going to go on this one here, guys? So, AMD, this has been pushing up here really nice off of this sideways action. I think we still, we have a joke in my room that all these other tickers, that all these other growth stocks have made it to $100 before AMD has, and it's just funny, like kind of whatever. I don't like AMD because it doesn't necessarily move, very aggressively, very much volatilely. So, but yeah, I mean, this is your support and breakout area, right? So this is your resistance right here, right here, right here. So yes, you have to get over this 86.75-ish area in order for this to continue going. So you may get another candle up and then put in a higher low, and then that would be optimal if you could put another candle up to this resistance area, higher low, and then break it down. Okay. Awesome. Any other tickers you guys got? There's a few guys that called out tickers last week who they were pretty nice tickers that some other people called out. I don't remember which ones they were, but Docu, why you want to short this, bro? Why are you picking on DocuSign? I would not pick on DocuSign, dude. I think this has a big short float as well. No, 4% short float it's showing right now. It's broken up right here. Dude, I don't see what you're seeing. If you could show me why you want to go short on this, dude, please show me, because I don't see any weakness in this at all. And I'm not one to make a habit of trying to pick a top. So, and then with this breaking right here, dude, with it breaking this high, I mean, this is nice. That breakout was nice for it to continue going. 300 being the magnet, probably. Teledoc has been cool too. TDoc. So you see this bottom right here. Oh, another one? Watch, I'll show you in a second. So right here, so I put in this little base. Now just curling back up right here on this Teledoc. So with the goal of it getting up to about 178 or so. You guys see that, right? So how I draw my resistance level like this. Boom. Right there. All this. So that would be your goal for it to get to this level. Then, this was one that broke out without me. Peloton, guys. This little sideways action right here in Peloton broke out, and then now it's going for it, but it didn't wait for me. So this is a no trade unless I could come back down here. My entry would be down here at this 113, 114 area. So unless I could get that entry for it to continue moving up, that is a no trade for me. I'm not going to chase it up. But this was the trade right here. So you see this sideways. Again, signaled in your TTM for it to move up. And then Alta got triggered for me this last week too. So you guys see this nice sideways action on Alta right here. This is starting to curl up, trying to break these all-time highs. The only thing about this Alta is that there is hardly any volume in here. It is very, very hard to trade this with the lack of liquidity that it has, as you can see. So just be careful if you decide to trade that one, okay? I don't know if I have any other. Let's see if I have any other charts. Let's. Nope, that's it. That's all my ones that are. Yeah, I like that, dude. So Wells Fargo. I was trying to buy, or excuse me, I was trying to sell puts on it last week or the week before, but yeah, Wells Fargo, dude, of the whole financial sector. I like this dip that we had, bro. I like this dip right here that we had in order to be able to get in, and hell yeah, I do like it, especially with them announcing that they're not going to raise the interest rates until 2023. I think banks are feeling pretty confident, and they are just handing out these mortgages like fucking candy. So absolutely, dude, for the short term at least. Yeah, SPCE we went over right at the beginning. This is probably my favorite one here for this week. So 20% short interest. Try to get the short squeeze going for all the bag holders that are in here as well. Try to get them out. Anything over 60 and this thing is gone, guys. You can see this. Look at this volume in here. This, our trigger on this on Friday was down here at the 46. This base right here, and then it never looked back, dude. That's how our system works here, catching those bottoms here in our room. So, and then yeah, so looking for that gap up tomorrow to see if we get over 60, and then we'll play that momentum. Absolutely. Did I mention Wish? Anyone interested in that one? Yeah, so Wish, we had just to go over it, if I didn't go over it already, we did go over it. So yeah, this $14 open interest right here, you guys could see this pretty big, 11,000. So see what happens if we need some more volume in order for this to break out and keep on going. Anything over 15, this is going to get pretty crazy. So we'll be keeping an eye on this as well. All right. Any last minute tickers, questions, guys? I'm happy to help out. I know I kind of got away from doing the STOCKcast, guys. I had a lot of stuff going on. Oh, that's a good one. Wolf and Chewy. No. Oh yeah, bro. Ooh, buddy, I like this one, dude. ZoLV gets the golden star today of the. But yeah, dude, this is pretty cool. So we do. So that's your support right here. You want it to break out of, and then I'm gonna put just a little alert right here as well. Yeah, I really like this. You guys see this base coming in right here? Here's your compression signaling, your cross, and now we're looking for this upside move to right here. So you just when did they report earnings? 5:20. So you probably still got some time on that, dude. Yeah, look at this support here in this area as well that this held. So right here. See if we get this curled up again. Um, Wolf. Ooh, this Chewy is looking, let's see here. Yeah, dude, Chewy trying to break out right here as well. Bro, I'm going to set some alerts on this one too. You guys want to set some alerts on this Chewy? Tesla this week, I'm thinking it gets back to 750, dude. I have puts on Tesla to be 100% honest, and they just released news that they recalled a bunch of cars in China, right? So negative catalyst right now. We'll see how it opens in the morning, but I do believe we're on our way back to retest. Did I say 750 at first? I meant 650. So come retest 650 here on Tesla. So fill in this gap area right here. And then once we fill in this gap area, it goes sideways and then continue going further up. But we got to come fill in this gap area right here that we have. Cool. You have Wolf Leaps? Nice, brother. How much money I'm risking when you do an option put versus option call? It's the same. So it's the same, dude. This is something that's kind of a pet peeve and just I don't think it's necessarily really well understood. Whenever you're putting your risk based off of the validity of your thesis on your trade. So whenever you're trading, you're making a thesis for your trade or a trade plan, right? So you're saying if I see this happen on my chart or these technical fundamental whatever things happen, this is how I'm going to react. I'm going to go ahead and buy at this area. This is where and then for your stop loss, you put in your stop, right? And your stop should be put at a point where your thesis is no longer valid, right? So for instance, like if you're looking at NVIDIA, right? So like on this day on Friday, right? So if you're trying to take this to the downside, one of our plays would have been from for this crossing this blue line, which we call the PDC. This is the prior day close price. So this broke to the downside and then it popped up, validated it as support, and then this came down. This is the trade I took on Friday. So if you're taking puts right here, if you're taking puts at the 768.04, so your trade thesis would be like, okay, your PDC, your prior day close price is now proving to be resistance. I'm going to take this trade. Anything above the PDC, my trade thesis is invalidated at that point, so I need to stop out and get out of this trade. Please do not put your stop losses according to a certain price or a certain percentage of the money that you have on the line. Because if you do that, and you're not giving yourself enough room for the trade to go and work out, you're just going to take stop losses all day. Now, that's not to go without saying that if you're taking this trade and your risk that you're putting on for the invalidity of the trade thesis, say like you're getting in at the 768, like we're saying, and you're risking 768.28, and that's going to be that's probably going to be like $70 for you, and you working with like $100, just for instance, right? Just for example, $100 account. That's too much for you. Then don't take that trade. So you don't take that trade then if it doesn't fit in your 1 to 3 risk reward profile for your trade, right? Or your 1 to 3% of your actual total account, because your stop loss always has to be placed where your trade thesis is invalidated. Does that make sense? So, but there's never a reason why you should be taking like 10% premium losses or 20% premium losses and stuff like that. So if that's the case, you need to lower your actual position sizing. Just use one contract, dude. And I've proven that in my room that just plain one contract, you can make a pretty nice living off of just trading one contract of Tesla, NVIDIA, and Amazon every day. Does that make sense? Would I wait on selling cash secured puts on Tesla? Yeah, wait till that 650, dude. Yeah, wait on that 650, bro. Cool. And again, if I'm going too fast or something just didn't make sense, you could always, I put these videos on YouTube for you to, replay. So you could always go back and rewatch it. Or if you want to send me an instant message, a DM on Twitter, I'll help you and I'll go over it with you as well. Okay. All right. Any last tickers? Any last questions? Anything, guys? I'm gonna go get some food. I haven't eaten. I'm gonna go hang out with my puppy. Have you guys seen my puppy Frankie? I was gonna call him Luis for some reason. He's our trade factory dog. He's probably upset that I left him at home by himself. All right, guys. Visa. So this goes along with the whole financial sector that we were just talking about. I believe that we're going to get rotation into this week, just with how strong it was and tech kind of probably pulling back. And I believe this is where the money's going to be in the financial sector this week. So just kind of sucks because a lot of these have huge ass floats and they don't really get a whole bunch of momentum. So it just kind of sucks on that end. But I really like this dude. It's trying to, break out and stay above this all-time high right here. It's done it a couple times. We'll see if we're able to gap up in pre-market and then continue going. So see if we get that rotation back into the financial sector as well. SPCE, I went over SPCE if you want to rewind the video once it's posted and go over it. But that's one of my favorites for this week, yes. Cool, guys. All right, I'm going to head out. Going to go grab some food. I hope you guys have a great, profitable week. All right, we'll see you next week for the STOCKcast. And then on Wednesdays, the last half hour of the session, I am going to last half hour of the session. I'm going to go live on Wednesdays. Kind of just do a midweek review with you guys. I also do it with my guys in the chat room, so that so if you're having a red first half of the week, we do not end on a red note the rest of the week. All right, so we should be able to pivot from that point, see what's going on, make adjustments, and then finish out the week green. And if not green, at least break even or mitigate our loss. Okay, so Wednesday, last half hour of the trade session, we will be live here on YouTube as well, and then STOCKcast on next Sunday as well. Okay, guys, you guys take it easy, stay profitable, stay money biased. We'll see you guys next week. All right.